Right. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Right. I'm in a season facing all of my fears and staring them dead in their eye till they all disappear. My head is so high in the sky, new visions are here. But lately I've been occupied trying to face all my fears. When you reach a new height, demons come in new tears. And despite how well life's going, some days I'll be in tears. Cause the pain of moving forward might just take me some years. Been getting criticized and truly it ain't easy to hear. Sometimes I fantasize about facing all of my fears. The feeling I feel, it be so surreal. My life will be real with time to stand still and take it all in without worrying about paying these bills or making a meal. More worried about finding some thrills and cooking some meals for family on the weekend to chill. I just wanna chill, broke for so long I hate how it feels. So please forgive me if I'm working like I'm on a treadmill. This marathon will continue to build inside of the wheel of God's details, and God prevails. I will excel despite the fear, no matter what feels harder than real. The crisis is real, the crisis is real, and that's how I feel. Yeah, right. Right. I will excel despite the fear, no matter what feels harder than the real. The crisis is real, but crisis is real. Yeah. But God has not given us a spirit of fear.